Hello. So I wanted to make a SolidWorks tutorial on how to use the Convert Entity tool and Offset Entity tool. So I'm here and I've got a sketch on this part of the shape. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to bring this shape into our sketch. Um, and obviously it's on the other side, but we want to know the reference to it in our sketch. And we don't want to work in this wireframe model, we want to work in this. So you can see how it doesn't really show through. So what you can do is say, bear in mind I am in a sketch mode here. I can say convert entities and select this face and press OK, and you can see how that face has been projected through to the sketch I was working on, right? And it's pretty useful in case, like, if you are going to use something like 3D printing, you can have references all over the place. So yeah, that's the off convert entities. Now, if I want to offset an entity, I can click on a shape or whatever, and let's say I want this to be 20 mil or 10 mil larger than the shape I have in the origin. I can do that, and then it's made a blown up version of the sketch I had before. And not only that, it can work with faces as well. So let's say I want to convert offset this entity, this face. I can choose 20 mil, and so you can do this is pretty useful for quite a lot of engineering tools when you're working with very complex parts and you want to get the right reference in place to do screw holes and mounts. But yeah, this covers this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.